Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create button eyes to complete your look for Coraline. Yes, you do need custom makeup for this, unfortunately, but it is worth it to me, in my opinion. I'm having like the hiccups right now and I can't stop it. So anyways, I'm just going to select the blush option and have it no eyes. Scroll down until you see the heart shape, select it, and you're going to color it just this black color. You can add eyes if you'd like, but it's just better without. As you can see, it creates more of the button look. Where's the eye that like looks down? You can add that if you'd like to, but I'm just going to add it with that, and that is it for this look. I just completed it with a hat, and this is the outfit I wore. The coat is from VIP, but the rest isn't. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.